This literature kit on The Mouse and the Motorcycle by Beverly Cleary gets students thinking and predicting with the use of before and after you read questions. 55 pages chock full of before you read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Students describe an exciting adventure they were a part of. Understand difficult words that will be used in the book. Use proof from the novel to find out why Ralph liked motorcycles so much. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as creating new idioms like quiet as a mouse. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Identify problems Keith encounters in a flowchart, leading to how he solves each problem. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.